Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on an incredible journey. My personal story with Dior. It's about more than just fashion, it's about heritage, dreams, and the relationships we build. It all began in the heart of London. Because my father named me after Princess Diana, I felt a deep pull to visit Harvey Nichols, one of her absolute favorite shopping places. I bought my very first Dior bag, a beautiful beige Lady Dior, in her honor. It was a moment I'll never forget. My first invitation came from the Las Vegas store. The original salesperson left, so I worked with a new salesperson in Las Vegas. Later, that salesperson moved to the New York store, and that's how I started my journey in the city. New York was a whole new chapter. Every visit felt like an event. Look at this. My first official event, the Lady Art 10th Anniversary Cocktails in New York. I was glowing. I used my very own Qeblawi cosmetics for my makeup that night. And the night before, I treated myself to a 90-minute Haute Couture facial at the Dior spa. Pure bliss. This is the look I wore. A red cotton velvet fitted jacket and a flared black wool and silk shantung dress. I paired it with a black felt hat and black patent slingback pumps. It was the perfect ensemble. And of course, the star, the Inez Longevial Medium Lady Dior art bag. I like all the artists, but at the time, that was my absolute favorite bag. I meet two of the artists there, Jessica Cannon and Patrick Eugene. The journey didn't stop there. I attended a private show in New York for Jonathan Anderson's spring/summer collection. These private shows are for VIPs only, held exclusively in New York and Paris. It's a completely different world. Here's what I wore to that show: a Dior belted gold shirt dress with a stunning gold crocodile bag. For that event, I used Dior beauty makeup. I don't see what's wrong by loving my brand, and Dior, I wanted to support their incredible beauty line too. We stayed at the Four Seasons, and let me tell you, every detail was perfectly taken care of by Dior. But there were some difficult moments along the way. When my salesperson left Dior, I honestly thought my journey was over. But luxury is about resilience. Now I have a wonderful new sales associate at the New York store who has been incredibly helpful. He's the one who helped me get invited to my first Haute Couture show in Paris, which is coming up very soon. It's a dream come true. Paris is calling, and I can't wait to share that experience with you all. This has been such a beautiful journey, and I'm so thankful for every single step. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep dreaming.